Good morning or afternoon, I guess, depending on when you're watching this video. Today's date is Monday, December 15th. Hold on, let me double check, guys. I think it's actually the 14th. Tros has got her days confused. Monday, December 14th. Your job was to watch the Bill Nye Rocks and Soils video. And then in your packet on page 36, you're supposed to write in and take notes as you watch the video. So I'm going to go over the answer. So if you missed any or if you got any incorrect, go ahead and change them. So I'm going to go ahead and do a screen share. So number one, different rocks form in different ways, right? Because through compacting and cementing, that's how we get sedimentary rock. Through melting and cooling, we get igneous rock, and heat and pressure, we get metamorphic. When you're looking at a rock, you're looking at history because, right, that's been around for millions of years. It's gone through the rock cycle. It's been different rocks throughout its lifetime. We can find fossils of animals and plants from millions of years ago. In sedimentary rock, remember our oldest layers are at the bottom. So if we were to go down really deep, you would find rock from millions of years ago. Wind and rain moving over the Earth's surface break rock down into sand, or we could have written sediment. This process where rocks are broken down and reformed has been going on for billions of years. So this rock cycle process has been going on since the Earth was created. Scientists like to think that there's three types of rocks. Igneous rocks are formed when hot lava or magma drips down the sides of volcanoes and cools. Or remember, that's extrusive. Remember, intrusive can actually get stuck in those little like those little caves inside the volcano, and it cools slowly. So remember, those ones have big crystals because it cools so slow. Sedimentary rock often has layers because that's the way the sand washes downstream in a river. So remember, igneous we're going to find near volcanoes. Sedimentary rock, we're often going to find it near water. And metamorphic rock is formed from heat and pressure. So metamorphic rock, we're going to kind of find deep in the Earth's surface because it's going to be closer to the mantle where we're getting that heat and more pressure. Glass is made out of sand, which is rocks. So glass is actually made of rocks, which is crazy. Rocks are always changing and are a part of the rock cycle. The reason we have volcanoes on Earth's crust is the Earth's crust is made of gigantic plates of rock that are shifting. Big cracks in rocks form when water gets in there and freezes, then expands, right? So we're kind of talking about weathering and erosion. Conglomerate rock is made up of a bunch of other rocks. Looks like a whole bunch of like pebbles stuck together with cement. A soil profile shows that soil has layers. Soil actually comes from rocks, and a diamond is the hardest substance known to man. Their atoms are in regular patterns, so when they break, they get big, flat sides. Rocks are crystals with regular atoms and patterns. We use these rocks to make roads, buildings, and to fill in land to make things stable. We live on and depend on rocks every day. Hopefully you guys did really well and you fixed those ones that you're missing, and this should have been a review, and I'll see you later. Bye.